Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best tandem bikes available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Kulana Tandem Bike. You can take the fun of cycling to a new level with the Kulana Tandem Bike. This stylish bicycle for two features a high-tension steel cruiser frame and a cheerful yellow with beachy palm tree graphics. The single-speed drivetrain makes this tandem bike easy to use and maintain, while the coaster brakes provide reliable all-weather stopping. At number 3 we have Schwinn Tandem Bike. Now let's go and enjoy adventures together with the twin classic tandem bike by Schwinn. This bicycle built for two features a steel low-step frame with lug fork for both comfort and style. The 7-speed twist shifter provides smooth shifting so you can easily adapt to your terrain, while alloy caliper brakes deliver excellent stopping power. At number 2 we have Pacific Tandem Bike. The Pacific Dually 26-inch wheel tandem bike is the perfect tandem bike to go riding around the neighborhood bike trail or anywhere you want. It is equipped with a steel mountain-style frame for two-rider durability, and alloy wheels are lightweight and strong. At number 1 we have Pfiff Tandem Bike. It is made from aluminum. This Velo Comfort saddles comes with alloy handlebar stem and seat post. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best tandem bikes for your need.